In today's fast-paced world, where time is of the essence, automated reminders and notifications act as your reliable assistants, ensuring that appointments are never missed or forgotten. This proactive communication not only reduces the likelihood of no-shows, but also fosters a sense of professionalism and dependability. With each reminder and update delivered promptly, clients and customers are more likely to perceive your service as organized and attentive to their needs. Moreover, this workflow allows your team to redirect valuable time and resources previously spent on manual outreach towards higher value tasks. As the automation takes care of routine reminders, you can focus on delivering exceptional service, addressing specific client queries, and fine-tuning the overall customer experience. So now that our funnel is complete, we can go ahead and get started on our workflow. We'll start by selecting Automation on the left sidebar and go ahead and create a new workflow. We can go ahead and start from scratch. Make sure to name your workflow at the top. The first thing you'll want to do is add a new workflow trigger. We're going to add Customer Booked Appointment. You can change the workflow trigger name, and here you'll want to get specific. You'll also want to add in your filters. Here we'll pull in the calendar that we created earlier. Once you choose In Calendar, you can choose from your list of created calendars. So if a client books an appointment in this specific calendar, this is what will trigger the workflow. Next, we can go ahead and add our first action. This is all dependent on what you want the system to do for you when a client books an appointment. There are many steps that you can choose from. We're going to add a contact tag. We can add in appointment booked, lead, what kind of appointment they booked, and more. We can also add in a confirmation email. Again, you'll want to change the action name. Your from name and from email will pull in from settings, but you can override that here as well. You can also pull in custom values into your emails. Next, you can go ahead and add a wait step. After the wait step, we can add in a confirmation text message to confirm when their appointment is. Again, we can name our action and write out a message using those custom values, or you can even select a template. There is so much you can do in workflows. Another thing we can do is send the user an internal notification once that appointment has been booked. We'll select Internal Notification. You can choose between email, SMS, or a notification for the type. You can add a title and then a message. You can even choose which users receive this notification. Once all of your confirmations are complete, you can go ahead and add reminders. Before going in with your reminders, you'll want to add another wait step. This time we will wait for an event or an appointment time. You can change how many days before for your preferences. This could be followed by an email that says that you are 1 week away from your appointment. If we want to send a reminder for 3 days before, we can add another wait step, and again you can follow that with another email for a 3-day reminder. Maybe the day before you'd want to send a 1-day reminder text. You can also add in a 1-day SMS in this workflow. These are just a few examples of what you could do. You could even go further and add a 30-minute or a 10-minute reminder. Incorporating an automated reminders, notifications, and confirmations workflow not only streamlines your operations but elevates your brand's reputation. You'll also want to check over your settings and make sure all of your information is filled in properly. And once you have completed your workflow, you can go ahead and test the workflow on the top right. You'll also want to make sure you publish it in the top right as well, and click Save. Embracing the power of automated reminders, notifications, and confirmations for your appointment bookings not only enhances convenience, but also demonstrates a commitment to a seamless customer experience. By efficiently utilizing technology to handle routine tasks, you're freeing up time and resources to focus on what truly matters, providing exceptional service and building meaningful relationships with your clients. This modern approach not only streamlines operations, but also leaves a lasting impression of professionalism and reliability.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.